Hello and welcome to Cosplay Crafts and More. I'm Danielle. If you're a returning viewer, I'm so happy you are here. And if you've just found this channel, I hope you'll stay. Today I'll be beginning the process of the 1920s Jessica Rabbit cosplay. This will entail cutting out the pattern and sewing the bodice. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing to do is to gather all of your materials. If you would like to know the materials I'll be using for this project, check out the Patterns and Plans video linked above or in the description below. I have my fabric, scissors, thread, and all the things that I will need. My machine is already threaded, and if you don't know how to thread your machine or bobbin or how to make the bobbin match your thread, watch the sewing machine walkthrough video linked above or in the description below. The next thing is to cut the pattern and the fabric. I will be using pieces A, B, C, D, E, and F. Since this is simply cutting the paper and the fabric, I will only show a few of the pieces being cut, not all of them, as I do not think it is necessary for everything to be shown. When putting the pattern pieces on the fabric, I tend to follow my own cutting layouts, as I often run out of fabric if I don't. I will also need to remember to cut notches and match my dots with chalk. Next, I will begin sewing the dress top together. To start, I will be putting some stay stitching in the front and back pieces as well as on the facing pieces. This makes the dress hold its form, reducing stretching and pulling on the curves. Then I will put gather lines on the top of the strap marks on the front and the back. It is necessary to sew 2 lines of gather stitches here. I will then pull on these gather stitches and then tie them off so that they stay. Then with the right sides together, I will sew the side seams of the front and the back together. I'll press the seams open, which I did not film. Next, I will put darts on the facing pieces in the front. If you do not know how to do darts, I have linked a short video above showing how to do that. It is also linked below in the description. Then, with the right sides together, I will sew the 2 facing pieces together and press the seams open. Next, I will hem the facing pieces. To do this, I will be turning in a 1/4 inch once and pressing that, and then I will turn it again another 1/4 inch and sew close to the pressed edge. After that, I will sew the facing piece to the main piece with the right sides together. I will sew along the neckline and armholes, but not the tops of the straps. I will then trim the seam allowance and clip the corners so that it's all smooth. I did most of this off camera. Then I will turn this to the right side and press it. Next, I will base stitch along the top of the strap pieces to secure all the pieces together. After that, I will tack the side seams to the main dress and the facing together. Next, I will take the strap piece and fold it in half and sew along that unfolded edge. Then I will pull this through the arm strap on the dress and then finally sew along the top of that and pull it to the right side out. I did not show most of this on the camera. Finally, I will take it and slip stitch the other side to the back. If you don't know how to slip stitch, I have a short video linked above and in the description box below. I've finished the bodice at this point. However, it's not ready to be shown as the skirt's not finished. Check out my next full-length video for the skirt. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!